In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Reddit story videos with GhostShorts.com step by step. So first, click the Reddit Story Video Generator app. Start off by customizing your template, typing in a profile name, which will display on the template, adding a profile picture, and selecting one of our new viral Reddit story templates here. You can choose between both light and dark mode options. Now, to create a script, you can either import a direct Reddit post URL or by manually typing out your own story. For this video, we will be using a Reddit post from the Am I the Asshole subreddit. Let's select a post from the subreddit and copy the link. Then we will click the import button and submit the Reddit post URL we copied once imported. We can manually edit the title and story script, or we can clean it up by clicking the polish button. Now we head over to voices, where you can select a voice character who will narrate your story, whilst also being able to adjust the exaggeration and stability once this is done. After this, you can now customize your background gameplay. In audio, select either one of our main genres or go through our library to select a specific video of your choice, or upload your own background gameplay, which is something I would recommend to avoid TikTok strikes. After this, you can adjust your caption style through the Captions tab. Now that your captions have been adjusted, you are now ready to generate your Reddit story video to post on social media.